Have you ever wondered why some people become millionaires while others struggle paycheck to paycheck?
The truth is, becoming a millionaire is not about luck or winning the lottery. It is about adopting specific.
In this video, we will explore the top 10 money habits that millionaires practice every single day to build and grow their wealth.
Habit number 1. Millionaires live below their means, no matter how much money they make.
This means they spend less than they earn, and they invest the difference instead of wasting it on unnecessary luxuries.
Millionaires understand that wealth is built by what you save, not by what you spend. And this mindset is the foundation of all their other habits.
Habit number 2. Millionaires pay themselves first before they pay any bills or buy anything else. Most people pay everyone else first: bills, rent, and groceries, and only save what is left over, which is usually nothing.
Millionaires flip this around. They decide how much to save first, and then they live on the rest, which forces them to be more intentional with their spending.
Habit number 3. Millionaires invest consistently, regardless of what the stock market is doing.
For instance, they do not try to time the market, and they simply invest a fixed amount every single month, rain or shine, because they understand that compound interest is the 8th wonder of the world, and they let time do the heavy lifting.
Habit number 4. Millionaires have multiple streams of income. They never rely on just one paycheck. They build businesses, invest in real estate, earn dividends from stocks, and create passive income that flows even when they are not actively working.
This protects them from financial disaster if one income source dries up, because they always have others to fall back on.
Habit number 5. Millionaires continuously invest in themselves through education and personal development.
They read books, listen to podcasts, attend seminars, and constantly learn new skills that increase their earning potential.
They know that the most valuable asset they have is their brain, and they invest in it just like they invest in stocks or real estate. Habit number 6. Millionaires set clear, specific financial goals and write them down.
Studies have shown that people who write down their goals are significantly more likely to achieve them than those who just think about them.
This is why millionaires treat their goals like a business plan, reviewing them regularly and tracking their progress.
Habit number 7. Millionaires avoid bad debt and use good debt strategically to build wealth.
Bad debt, like credit card debt or payday loans, eats away at your wealth, while good debt, like a mortgage or business loan, can help you build assets that grow over time.
Millionaires understand the difference, and they never borrow money to buy things that lose value, like cars or clothes.
Habit number 8. Millionaires practice frugality even after they become wealthy. They do not waste money on status symbols.
They understand that buying expensive cars and designer clothes does not make you wealthy, and it actually makes you poorer. Instead, millionaires focus on building wealth quietly, and they let their net worth speak for itself rather than their possessions.
Habit number 9. Millionaires surround themselves with successful people who inspire and challenge them.
They know that your net worth is often a reflection of your network, and they invest time in building relationships with people who are where they want to be. This does not mean using people. It means learning from them, sharing ideas, and supporting each other on the journey to success.
Habit number 10. Millionaires practice patience.
They understand that true wealth is built over decades, not days, and they stay disciplined even when the market is volatile.
They know that getting rich slowly is the only reliable way to stay rich, and they never fall for schemes that promise overnight success. These are the 10 money habits that millionaires practice every single day. And the good news is, you can start doing them too, starting right now.
Remember, wealth is not about luck. It is about making small, smart decisions consistently over time.
Start with just one habit today and gradually build all 10 into your daily routine, and watch your wealth grow over time.
Now I want to hear from you. Which of these habits do you already practice, and which one will you start today?
Share your financial goals in the comments below, and let us grow together as a community.
If you found this video helpful and motivating, and please hit that like button to support the channel. Do not forget to subscribe for more videos about money psychology and building wealth.
And click the bell icon so you never miss another video about money and financial freedom. Thank you so much for watching, and remember, your financial future is in your hands, and it starts with the habits you build today. Stay curious about money and personal development, and I will see you in the next video. If you enjoyed this, please remember to like, subscribe, and comment below. See you next time. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. And check out these other videos for more ways to make money.